Hi guys, we're gonna be unboxing this Sahara P35 white case, and we're gonna be unboxing it, and it'll look really good, I hope. And we've already saw it, but we're gonna do an unboxing. If you do at least don't know. So, okay. We will be taking it out, which will be heavy. It's really fragile. Handle with care, like always. And it looks really good. So, we'll be cutting it open. Okay. This is all the stuff.
That comes with the sink, the Sahara Gaming Sync remote control for the lights, for the RGB lights. That means it can get synced to motherboards if it's Asus or MSI.
Yep.
And that's what it looks like. That's the glass front. It's got quite good padding in the box.
Yep.
So we'll get Lewis to give us a hand to lift this out. You can stand over there, son.
Okay.
Right, you can show it. Right. So there's one. The padding's really thick.
Yep.
So that's the feet. Do you want to come over and show the feet? So that's the feet. So it's even got padding in the feet as well to stop that from denting down, which is quite good. We'll take this side off as well, right?
Another really thick padding.
Yep.
Two thick paddings. And the grand reveal of the Sahara P35 white case.
So we'll just lift it up.
Yep.
So it's got wee pads for the feet.
So that you don't damage it or scrape it.
This is a magnetic filter, so it stops any dust particles going through. It just comes off and just put it back on like that and just stays on. It's also got one underneath. That one there, that's magnetic as well.
Doesn't let any particles at all in inside of it.
So this actually has a full glass 4mm thick tempered glass side with a RGB fan at the back, and it has a tempered glass front with 3 RGB fans at the front. It's also got a coating on it, but I'll take that off when I'm going to build it. Yep. Hope you've enjoyed this video.
Says tempered glass right here.
Yeah, it says tempered glass right there.
So now you know it's tempered glass.
So, see you in the next video.